Good Monday morning. It's back to work for a lot of folks out there after some nice, hopefully, vacation time. Hope you had a good Christmas and you had a good first of the year, good new year. Hopefully this year will be a good one for you. We're going to be taking a look at the weather as we go through the next 7 days. Looks like we'll see some up and down weather, warm weather through most of the week, and then we'll see cooler temperatures come in for the weekend. Also in that transition, we're hoping to get a little bit of rainfall as a cold front comes through. It looks like Thursday into Friday. So got our fingers crossed, get a little bit of moisture. We need some rain here in southeast Texas. Rest of the day, there is no rain in our forecast, but some warmer temperatures are certainly there. We'll see temperatures in the lower 70s through this afternoon. We'll drop off into the 60s by 6 o'clock tonight, and we'll hold into those 60s by 10 o'clock as well. Matter of fact, tomorrow morning, we still see maybe some lower 60s around the triangle here down towards the coast, while most of the area will be falling back into the middle to upper 50s heading into your Tuesday. Looking at a good allergy report for today, grass is 0, tree and weed on the low side, even mold is on the low side. So this is one of the better days as far as the allergy report. So hopefully if you do have those sensitive allergies that you're not sniffing or sneezing too much today, with the numbers being a little bit on the low side thanks to some of that cooler weather we had and some drier weather out there. As we take a look on some of our Roofing 911 live sky cams, looking at some areas where we have some thicker cloud cover. Other areas like down in Port Arthur, we're seeing partly cloudy skies. As you can see, a little bit of blue out there, a few clouds here and there. This camera brought to you by Market Basket down in the Port Arthur area, and not looking too bad as we can see pretty clear skies out there. Now you head over towards Orange, a little bit more in the way of some cloud cover there. Looking at temperature right now at 64 at the Horseman's Western Store in Orange. Humidity up there at 85%, and winds are out of the southeast at 8. Now over in Orange had some thicker fog out there this morning than we did in Beaumont down towards Port Arthur. So that fog lifted up but hasn't quite broke up quite as of yet. But there have been a few breaks in the overcast starting to form, and we'll see some sunshine over there in Orange for later on this afternoon. But right now it looks like it's mostly cloudy skies at the Horseman's Western Store as we look down I-10, which looks pretty quiet. A few cars here and there, but no problems there. We switch back to the Beaumont area. Like I said, we see a little bit more sunshine. We'll go partly cloudy to even almost mostly cloudy here in Beaumont as we look from our Pack of the Prey location, looking towards downtown Beaumont. See the train going by there off in the distance. Our Roofing 911 live Skycam network currently showing 67 degrees in Beaumont, humidity at 73%, and winds are out of the southwest between, say, about 5 and 7 miles per hour. And just a little bit of sunshine out there. We'll warm up into the lower 70s today. Thanks for some of that sunshine. And not looking too bad here in the Beaumont area as far as getting out and getting something done today. Maybe doing a little exercise, doing a little walking. Right here at our 12 News studio. This camera brought to you by Mid-County Plumbing. And we have maybe a little bit more sunshine than we were showing downtown, even though we're just a few miles away. Looks like mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies as we look down I-10. We're looking off towards the south there. And you can see I-10 looks pretty smooth. So if you're heading out for lunch here in another half an hour or so, don't think you'll have too many problems barring any accidents on I-10, but it looks like I-10's going along pretty smoothly there. And take the sunglasses, and I don't think you'll need the jacket as temperatures will be in the upper 60s around lunchtime. That might be jacket weather for some, but it should be just a lightweight jacket. And the skies really have started to clear out up in Jasper. Just a half an hour ago we looked at the sky cam and it was almost clouded over. So quickly the sky is starting to clear out up in the lakes area as we see now. It looks like almost mostly sunny skies up in Jasper on our Roofing 911 live Skycam network. This camera brought to you by Pervalis up in the Jasper area. So those numbers there in Jasper should be warming up here fairly quickly. We were back into the 50s in Jasper, still in the 50s, but we're starting to warm up to 57. Kirbyville's now jumped to 60, 63 in Woodville, 65 in Silsbee, and then middle 60s here around the triangle as well. 66 Port Arthur and right here in Beaumont, and then 64 right now in Orange. Lake Charles, we're seeing some upper 50s and lower 60s there. Already starting to show temperatures in the upper 60s in Houston at 69, Conroe's at 68, and then Huntsville currently at about 65. It's a dry day, not expecting any wet weather. No rain on the radar from Alabama all the way over to New Mexico, up in Oklahoma, Arkansas. Nothing as far as any active weather. A lot of cloud cover kind of coming through the deep south here, but that's about it. A lot of high level clouds, and then if you can see maybe a few low level clouds here and there. that we're dealing with in some spots. But it should be quiet through like about Wednesday, and then Thursday maybe a couple of showers with a cold front coming through. And I'm looking at Friday probably at this point to be hopefully the wettest day if we get some rain there coming in on Friday, maybe 40, even 50% coverage of some scattered showers on Friday with the front coming through. Hopefully we won't get too much in the way of any thunderstorms, but we could definitely see some measurable rainfall. Around the rest of the country, a little bit of looks like lake effect snow coming off of the Great Lakes up there to parts of New York State, maybe Buffalo getting some snow out there for this morning. Pretty quiet though, most of the eastern seaboard, not much going on. Florida looks pretty quiet, maybe a couple of showers off the coast of Miami down there. And in the Midwest looking quiet, a lot of cloud cover here and there, but no active weather. And then you can see all the winter weather advisories out through the Rocky Mountain states. Wyoming down to Utah, starting to see some purple boxes indicating some snow over higher elevations. And it looks like a storm system released some moisture coming into northern parts of California. San Francisco's getting some rain for this morning, and higher elevations there. Southern Oregon, Northern California getting some winter weather advisories up near Mount Shasta there in Northern California. Southern California looks dry and looks like probably mostly sunny down towards southern parts of California. All right, our futurecast showing temperatures starting off in the upper 60s by lunchtime, and then we get into the lower 70s today, expecting highs anywhere from about 70 to 74 through southeast Texas. We'll see temperatures drop off into the 60s through the evening hours, so maybe a little bit of a lightweight jacket this evening if you're heading out to dinner or something like that. And then overnight, we'll see numbers, I think, a little bit cooler than this. I don't think we'll be quite as warm up towards the lakes area tomorrow morning. I think we're looking at more likely some upper 50s, and then maybe right around 60 degrees here near the triangle. I'll show you our updated forecast here in just a few minutes as far as tonight's forecast. And then tomorrow we'll go even warmer. We'll go upper 70s through the afternoon. It's going to be a nice warm day with some partly to mostly cloudy skies. Could see some more patchy fog overnight as we head into Tuesday morning. Along the coast today, a south wind at 5 to 10 knot, seas only about a foot, just a light chop on the inland lakes and bays. Really no advisories out there. High tide at 2:18 this afternoon, then we'll see another one at 5:59 for tonight. Our low tide, we had one earlier this morning. We'll see another one late tonight at 10:44. Our sunrise was at 7:13. Sunsets tonight's at 5:31. Right now at Texas Point, a little bit of an east wind around 6 miles an hour. Water temperature there into the middle 60s. So our forecast for today, lower to middle 70s. We'll see partly cloudy skies and south winds between about 5 and 10 miles per hour. Really not a bad afternoon, a little warmer than yesterday. And then tonight, look out for some patchy fog. Could be thick in some spots. This morning it was really up towards the lakes area. We might see that again for tomorrow morning. You notice instead of 60s, we have a lot more 50s than Futurecast was showing. Middle 50s up towards maybe Burkeville, to a lot of upper 50s all the way down to I-10. So part of the triangle here could see some upper 50s tomorrow morning, while south of I-10 we're looking at temperatures right around the 60-degree mark. All right, our 7-day forecast shows warm weather, 78, 79, 77 Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Now, there is a slight chance for a couple of showers late in the day on Thursday as the front starts to approach. It goes through early on Friday with about a 40% coverage of some scattered showers. So definitely see some rain on Friday. Who's going to get it and how widespread it is, we'll have to wait and see. We'll probably be updating this forecast over the next couple of days. We're hoping that rain coverage will go up a little bit higher. Like I said, before the front goes through, we'll see 70s, and then behind the front, we see a nice drop-off, about a 15-degree drop-off, 61 on Saturday, 60 on Sunday, and morning temperatures will be chilly on Saturday in the middle 40s, and by Sunday, we'll be looking at temperatures dropping off into the 30s, so a little bit closer to normal as we head towards the weekend definitely as far as afternoon highs. Our average temperature this time of year right around 63, so we'll be a lot closer to that. Put a number at the bottom of your screen. If you have any weather questions, you can text us at